Hello, my name is Horatio Georgestone and I'm the founder of a social enterprise called YDWC and a senior policy advisor at His Majesty's Treasury. My session was on leadership and it's a topic which I absolutely love. I think that all of us have the potential to lead in different ways, and it was a really fun opportunity to see the different insights that people had in relation to leadership and to have a really active session that thought about ways that people could practically demonstrate leading, thinking about how people overcame obstacles, thinking about how people reflected on what they did so that they could improve it moving forward, thinking about the different styles of leadership. Sometimes people are more extroverted, sometimes people are more introverted, thinking about the impacts that you can have as a leader, thinking about the ways in which your potential can be really challenged and strengthened. So it was fun, hopefully it was interesting, and I definitely really enjoyed it. I think that a lot is put on labels and titles, and in that context, someone might think to themselves, am I a leader? And I'm not saying it's the wrong question, but actually, all of us have potential and all of us have the ability to do things. And if that person is able to reflect on what it is that they think they enjoy doing, what is the kind of impacts that they want to have, and how is it that they get there, they will naturally, hopefully, be thinking about the ways in which they express themselves as a leader without having the title or the weight that comes with thinking about the responsibility of stepping into leadership. And for those who are more comfortable and feel like they're ready to kind of take things forward, then maybe they can think about how it is that they hold themselves accountable for making sure that they're delivering outcomes that really support change and transform not only the environment that they're in, but make the world and the space that they're operating in better for all those who are involved in that area. I'm not sure if it's because of my West African heritage, but I've always loved the idea of the village. And I can imagine that if I was back in West Africa, on a regular basis, I would be sitting down with my village, would be out there having conversations, supporting each other, making sure that there was energy, making sure that there was laughter, making sure that all of the challenges that we were exploring, all of the good times that we were having, we were celebrating and doing them together. And in that context, I think that the valuable community is an opportunity to really embrace that village. Having right here the ability to connect with others who have that love and care for me, for my story, and equally I share that with them. And so I think compared to last year, what we've been able to do is build the relationships a lot more. We've been able to have more stories, more insights, and it's always been a pleasure to be here doing this, being part of this village. And so I've loved it, it's been valuable.